Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with these WandaVision inspired nails and I'm so excited. We're finally getting new Marvel content. And of course I would have preferred the Black Widow movie first. Insert Shannon is still salty over this. But I love Wanda too. And since I'm not the best at freehand, I searched my stamping plate collection for images that suited the theme of the show. And I love the aesthetic they're going for this time, with the old vintage sitcoms through the years. Well, of course it's Marvel, so it's not going to be just that, is it? But anyway, let's paint these nails. So the first thing I did was create a red smoke background on 3 of the nails to replicate when Wanda uses her powers. She has this sort of red smoke, and like here in my favourite scene in Age of Ultron. So to do this, I started off with painting all of my nails with one coat of One Coat Black from Holo Taco. And to create the smoke, I used the back of a stamping plate as a paint palette and a small cup of water. I then applied small amounts of white acrylic paint, and then I mixed it with water until I had this acrylic paint mix. You can see when it starts getting a bit watery. And then with a thickish brush, I just applied dots to my nail. And it was at this point I realised I put too much water in there. So to absorb some of it, I went in with a clean brush. And then I added more acrylic paint to the mix. And after I added more paint to the mixture and it was alright, I went back in with the brush and dotted on the smoke effect. And then I kept going in with applying paint and then cleaning it up with a clean brush until you had the sort of smoke pattern, if that makes sense. You just want to keep adding water and then absorbing it until it dries in the cool smoke pattern. Then after that was dry and I was happy with it, to create the red part of the smoke, I applied a layer of red jelly polish. And that's it for the base. So now for the ring finger, I didn't apply the smoke effect. And for this nail, I wanted it to be a romantic nail with Wanda and Vision. So I chose this image on my Moyu London Bridal 04 stamping plate. And then I applied a red polish on the women's side of the face. And I applied a green polish over the man's side of the face. And then I gently scraped it, trying not to blend the colours. And I know Vision has a red face, but he's also green, so just go with it, alright? I'm making it up here! And then I stamped that immediately onto my ring finger. And we did end up with a little bit of a sticky bastard on the end of the red side of the face. But it's not too bad, you didn't notice it a lot. And with a brush and acetone, I just cleaned up the stamp. Now with my Moyu London Time Traveller Back to the 50s 01 plate, I stamped the 50s sedan in a white and I stamped it onto my index finger. Then with the same plate I stamped the TV, and I was so annoyed that I forgot to record this because this image was the whole inspiration for this mani, and I just stamped that on my middle finger. For the pinky I was inspired by this scene from the trailer, and it's of a butterfly mobile above a crib. So I stamped a few butterflies from my Moyu London Zodiac 12 plate, and I stamped that on my pinky. To seal in this marvellous mani, get it, I applied a smudge resistant top coat. I'm so happy with the way these came out, because even though I can't freehand paint the best, I think I've done well to suit the theme of the show. I'm so excited to watch it, and let me know if you are too. And I hope you like this. Give this video a huge thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!